manje yaitika ndio Pators4ED chaiyo. Ati makati MaHooray4ED, mukati mbavha4ED, mukati Pators4ED. Saka chazonetsa apachi. Indamida kunyepedzera kungwara ivivi. When the president preached a sermon in Makandiwa's church, and after he preached, Makandiwa said he doesn't have any sermon to preach anymore. He was actually flabbergasted by the so-called president's mastery of scriptures, where he failed to cite even one scripture properly. He read from scripture Psalm 133, verse 123, which does not exist.
Yo, it's a okay TV, right? That's a new favorite channel started from today, whereby we analyze and criticize video. Guys, next video and I wanna penga the vene anze vakambofarisa church. We can afford it. So Apostle Chiwenga is about to address the issue. Video rimabvira guys. Reality check. Vanorudzwa chokwadi. Chokwadi says zvachiri hanzi. Aiwa. I'm not gonna spoil the video for you. Doti munyasozvinzwira mabvira pabatwa munhu semunhu ipapapa. So zvatoda tiite zviri simple panapa. Kana uda advertiser, number is on the screen. Kana uda kutaura neni ku WhatsApp, number is on the screen. Video call, WhatsApp call, ma text, whatever. Kana uda support channel ineyi, number is also on the screen. Then wondinyarawo kane ku subscribe. Unongoti kabatani ke subscribe unongokati. Kana pa subscribe pasiri kutacha area iyo because wangotoziva kuti mafoni enyu kaanotacha kumwe maatache kumwe. Uno scrolla page kudai. Pakadzi subscribe kupova paenda kunotacha obva sonoti obva wabaya ka notification bell ukadaro unorarama 100 years.
Someone sent me a message and said, what do you say about this letter that the ZANU-PF chairperson from Toko wrote to churches saying the churches must not do services today because they have a party meeting that they want to do? And I saw a letter written by the Organization for Churches in Zimbabwe, the Zimbabwean Council of Churches, expressing that they are worried because they are preparing for Easter program. And so this Sunday was a very important program for them to do as they prepare for Easter.
Kune vasiri kuziva tine video yeEaster yatagadzira chichi iri kuuya mabviravira inokuratidza kuti Easter is a scam. So ichabva yakuratidzai kuti vava futi vari kuprepare for Easter. What are they preparing for?
I said, honestly speaking, I don't see anything wrong with what ZANU-PF is now doing, asking churches not to do their services so that they may do their political activities. I don't see anything wrong in that. I think the Zimbabwe Council of Churches is playing to the gallery. When was the Zimbabwe Council of Churches born? Where were they all these years? Is this the matter that a church body should address with all this urgency? Quickly they wrote a letter to criticize what ZANU-PF has done. I don't see anything wrong. I think this is what Pators4ED means. You can't eat your cake and have it. Manje yaitika ndio Pators4ED chaiyo. Ati makati MaHooray4ED, mukati mbavha4ED, mukati Pators4ED. Saka chazonetsa apachi. Indamida kunyepedzera kungwara ivivi. kunyepedzera kuchenjera kunge mune zvamuri kuita and we are deeply concerned about what?
Reality check baba, reality check. Ya kana kune mudhara anoutsa vanhu mugwara, uyu mudhara uyu akapenga apostle sando dzavo.
Where was the Zimbabwe Council of Churches when Grace Mugabe ordered churches to go to Rufaro Stadium and started insulting the current president, who was then the vice president? Why didn't they condemn that politicians should not frog march churches to political rallies, where political agendas that have nothing to do with development are happening? Panenge pachitukwa mnangagwa na Grace Mugabe, roho yemachechi ipapo ndei?
Hapana.
Why do churches go to attend a political rally in church uniform? What is the role of a church at a political rally? We have members of our church who support ZANU-PF, some support other political parties. We have never said they shouldn't. We don't care who they support. We preach the gospel of righteousness. But if JRIM had a church uniform, we would expel a member who goes to a political rally wearing our church uniform. Because all citizens have a right to participate in political activities. But they don't participate under a church identity. They participate as ordinary, patriotic citizens who are expressing their constitutionally guaranteed right. Right to vote, right to participate in political activities, right to hold a political office. You don't need a church uniform to attend a church rally. It's disgraceful to the ethics of spirituality. Where was the Zimbabwe Council of Churches when the president preached a sermon in Makandiwa's church? And after he preached, Makandiwa said he doesn't have any sermon to preach anymore. He was actually flabbergasted by the so-called president's mastery of scriptures, where he failed to cite even one scripture properly. He read from scripture Psalm 133, verse 123, which does not exist.
Guys, how does he still remember the exact scripture yakaverengwa ipapo? Yet we're talking about this thing happened a few years ago. This guy is a genius, guys. This guy is a genius. That is why he said pavakaluza memory after that accident mavhesi haana kuenda. Look at what's happening here.
A president who doesn't know whether Easter is celebrating the death or the birth of Jesus Christ. How can such a president be defined as a master of scriptures? Our position as the true church is that these churches belong to ZANU-PF. ZANU-PF must exercise its right to use these churches for its political agendas. Where was the ZCC, the Zimbabwe Council of Churches, when politicians donate money and cars to church leaders on camera? Where was the ZCC? Panenda kunotorwa motikari nevakuru vemachechi nevanhu vezanu, you are not concerned. Zvipatara zvisina mishonga, vakuru vechechi vari kupuwa ma50, 150, 250,000, $1 million.
You are not concerned.
Vanhu vachifa pachishayikwa parasite pachishaikwa machines with $1 million, we can equip Parenyatwa with all the imagery or imaging equipment it does not have. The Zimbabwe Council of Churches is quiet. When pastors do Pators4ED, they are quiet. Vapepuswa nei vanhu veZCC.
Hapana.
Isu tiri kuti misodzi yegarwe. Vatengerei mota vanonyarara. Varuda mota vanhu veZCC. Vakatengerwa mota muchavanzwa vakuti ngovharaits one day zvinopera. So our advice is that muri macheche ezanu yanguva yekuti muite play for the payer of the piper. The white man says he who pays the piper chooses the tune. It's time to play the tune. The piper is paid. Those are outrage. But the church should not patronize with the politicians. That's what we meant.
Guys, do you still remember Apostle Chiwenga vachitaura kuti vakadya zvese mucharutsa? Do you still remember? Kana musiri kuremember ndoidzosa semoniyo ndinayo vakataura kuti mucharutsa mota dzese, mucharutsa everything, mucharutsa. Now look at what's happening.
Time to test the medicine. So in principle, ZANU-PF has done nothing wrong. In any case, they are not churches of God anyway. So we are not worried about it. Dai vatoshandisa mahoye chechi iwayo kuitira musangano wezanu. Zvinotori nani kuti nyika inyatsoziva kuti hazvinei naMwari zvinhu izvi. Musade kutinzwa imi makunyepera kuita kunge munoda Mwari. Vanhu vari kurambidzwa kunamata, toda kuita Easter. Easter ipi? Easter day yaMwari kutakariri. What has Easter to do with Jesus? So even the ZCC does not know that Easter has nothing to do with Jesus. They are disturbing our Easter preparations. You want to prepare for what?
For Easter.
Bishop, don't prepare Easter. Story nani kuti kuitwe rally musi weEaster. Hazvina Mwari zveEaster.
Yes.
Tosaka isu tisiri member yeZCC. Hapachozikanwa. Hanzi kuri kuitwa Purim nePurim inotangira Easter. Zviri kupi zvokuti Purim inotangira Easter? Zviri pavhesari. Zviri pabhuku ripi? What has Purim to do with Easter? Go to school, my dear. Dzokerai kuchikoro. Munotangidza futi kudzidza zvinhu izvi. Muri kuargiwa nezvinhu zvamusina kana idea nazvo. Purim is a Jewish festival that was started in the book of Esther. Easter has nothing to do with the Jews. It's a Babylonian festival that celebrates the birth of the moon goddess. It has nothing to do with Jesus. Jesus wasn't born in Easter. We have already preached about these matters. So, the bastard generation or the bastard era we are in now, most of our conflicts are conflicts arising out of despondency of people when it comes to being told the hard but useful truth.
Yes.
Before people call you names on social media, before you do the extreme things you are now doing on social media, where a very beautiful daughter of a certain very hardworking man, he watches his daughter undressing herself, speaking profanities on social media for likes and for Facebook money. If only this daughter had been chastised when she was 4 years old, 6 years old, this nonsense could have been avoided.
Yes.
So, the situation we are in now, we are now in a denialist society where everybody says I am right with what I'm doing. And there are others who say, since you cannot find me, I will speak whatever I want towards you. You can't do nothing about it. I use Facebook, I use Twitter, I use Instagram, TikTok. So people are now yelling and screaming and insulting one another. Between the two parties, the one who is insulting and the one who is being insulted, there is no difference. Wakafanana. This one, what they are being insulted for is justified. They shouldn't have done what they are doing. This one cannot comment on this matter publicly. They have to find this one and speak to him in private. Both are wrong. But nobody is having time to reflect on what is right and what is wrong. As I speak right now, if we are not careful, our government has not openly established a solid position, particularly that is legally enforceable, about same-sex marriages in Zimbabwe. Very soon, you shall hear an MP rising in parliament to move a motion for the enactment of a bill to legalize same-sex marriages in Zimbabwe. Even though Mugabe did not do that, but he spoke openly about it. Yes. The current leadership we have is quiet about it, and that quietness is highly suspicious. Yes. All right. So I hope I have given you a complete response. Gawitwe msangano. Machechi gavharu.
Breakfast meeting.
Makaita ku breakfast meeting mukanogocherwa nyama uku. Hapana akambonyora tsamba. Chazoshata ipapa chi.
Amanaga, listen. Makapiwa ma-stands. And mukavakirwa ma-toilets, mukaiserwa mvura, mukapiwa mari, mukapiwa mota. Of course, if people spend on you, they have power over you. That's the thing. So also, I don't see anything wrong with whatever they are doing, because they run the country, they run the churches, they control your finances. Saka mimi you are worried about what? Because mota dzao murongotora and muri kudya. Vamwe vanoti muchirungu, you made a deal with the devil. And now when he comes to collect, he is to collect your soul. So kana chechi ichivharwa munyika iri officially a Christian country, what can you say about that? Power riri kubva kupi? Pamari up. This has been the God K for God K TV. Video Easter, guys. Check out. It's coming. Because vakatotanga kuto prepare Easter. They don't even know kuti chacho chinonzi Easter chii chakabva kupi. And Apostle Chiwenga, he clearly explained it. Vanga vasiri kunyebwa takatotaura nezvazvo sermon yacho iripo, and I'm going to post it on Easter Thursday. So check out for this video. Have a very nice day, guys, wherever you are. Kana ari mausiku, have a good night.